Hey sweet friends, I'm Marcia. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to jump into Canva and Fusion360. Once you're logged into Canva, click create a design, scroll down to custom design or custom size rather. Then I'm going to use a square, so I'm punching in 3000 by 3000. Create a design. And then it opens up a blank canvas for us. Click either the T at the left hand side and add a text box at the top, or type in T on your keyboard. Write out thank. We're going to do this again. I typed in T on my keyboard and U. Okay. Now let's go to elements. Type in flowers or flower. And we're going to pick graphic, so see all, so we can see all the free elements, and choose one that's free. I like this pink one. Let's add that to our canvas. Okay, resize it. Now let's make the thank you words larger. You can click at the top next to the number, the plus sign, or you can, if you're impatient like I am, click the corner and drag it out. And here I go. And make sure that the T and the Y are at least touching your flower. Now let's change the font by clicking inside the text box and then clicking the line, free, apply, and then choose whichever font you want. I like this one for now, and I'm going to enlarge everything and just place it where you think best for your design. Okay. Alrighty. Once you have it placed, click outside of the box, drag that purple box over everything, then group it. Then enlarge it, reposition it. And now let's create the outline or border for our cutter. Click on effects, and that's only going to outline our text. Click on thickness and drag that. I like it there. Now for the flower, we're going to do the same thing, give it an outline. We're going to click on the flower and then click edit. Then scroll down a little and hit shadows, hit outline, and then size, and click on the little circle and drag it. I like that. And there we have it. That's our thank you cutter. Now you're going to download it. So click share and download. Now we're going to add a page to this project. Now click upload. Upload your file. So you're going to go to your downloads, bring it in, click on it to import it onto the page or the canvas. Resize this. And this is one of the elements we can't do with the top image. Once you click on the image, it'll let you flip it horizontal or vertical, and that's what we needed. Now download this image. Open Fusion360. And now I like top view, so I'm always going to click on top. Then click insert canvas. Search for your image in your downloads. Mine is in this one. Click this one and import it. Click on your canvas. And then to resize it, because I want to see it, you drag it from the corner. Okay, that's good. Click OK. Let's head over to size our cookie cutter. Click on the image and calibrate. Right click and then hit calibrate. Go from the furthest point to the furthest point, which would be these two. Click in 4 inches. I want my cutter to be 4 inches because it's narrow. And then on the wheel on your mouse, scroll either up or down to enlarge that. click create sketch and click on your canvas, and now click on the spleen. I want to collapse that menu so I can see the whole image, but we're going to resize this or enlarge it. Click, click, and since it's a sharp edge, we're going to click the check mark. Click it again, and then when there's curves, you don't need to do that, just in sharp edges or corners. And here we have another corner. Click. Now go down to the bottom menu. I know it's not visible here on the screen, but click on the hand so that you can reposition your image. Click inside the white line, the white circle, and keep going around your image. And again, in each sharp corner, you want to click that check mark. Okay, let's reposition by clicking the hand, clicking on the board, and repositioning the image. Then you're going to just keep going around the image, and at each sharp edge or corner, hit the check mark. Now I'm going to be quiet for the rest of this. We're doing this in real time, so you can follow along. Check mark here, and reposition. Clicking the hand, clicking and dragging the image, and start all over. But if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos that you would like to see, again, leave it in the comment. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. Okay, don't stress about perfectly aligning each point with the image. After you close your outline, you can always go back and fix any curves or shapes, or if you want to do without the curve or change the image in any way, you can do it then. That's why I like Fusion 360 versus a few other of the programs, because you can change it as you're creating it. Oh, I missed the check mark. So click on undo, and then click the check mark and just continue. Here, there's a small, tiny little lip. I'm going to actually just create my own here. There, you see the little tiny lip? I'm not going to go and shape that little, I guess, the points. I'm just gonna create my own. And that's what I love about Fusion 360, is that I don't have to settle for the little lips and things. I can reshape it after I have closed my outline. Just the possibilities here are endless with Fusion 360. And we're almost done. So just keep going around. Oh, darn it, I did it again. Again, go undo and then click in the check mark and then keep going. I'm not sure about the slip. Yeah, no. Let me undo this because I just can't justify it when we start doing the offset if it's going to give me an issue. Oh, let me fix this. Okay. And click spleen again. And let's see where I want. Yeah, right there. Okay, so yeah. So see how you can just fix little things that your eye doesn't like, or you know that might give you a headache when offsetting. And then let's just keep going. We're almost done. Okay, make sure you click inside of that white box and click the check mark, and then it should light. You should see that light blue highlight, I guess. That means that the outline is actually closed. Okay. Yep, so if you click inside of it, it will highlight to blue. Now let's just fix all the curves quickly. What you don't like, what you like. Okay, once you're done, and you make sure that everything is the way that you like it and you don't need any other changes, we're going to start offsetting. And see how the red line came underneath our starting line? You want to click -1, then -0.5, and then offset one more time for our handle. And then, yep, -4. And we're officially almost done with our cutter. Click Finish Sketch, enlarge, and click inside the first line or wall, extrude it. 18 is my preferred size. Then the image disappears, or the outline disappears, so you got to go back into the sketch. Then click in the middle, offset to 17, and then the last one, extrude, I'm sorry, not offset, extrude. And I like number 4. Let's take a look at this cutter, and I like it. Okay, let's look for a wall to actually label this cutter. Okay, I'm not liking any of these. Oh, maybe here in one of these two. Okay, so create another sketch, then click the wall, then click create and go to text, click on one end, and then drag that invisible box and click again, and then the text box will open. Type in your labeling. I'm going to put thank you, and then make sure that if you want it bold, to click on the B. If you want to flip it, you can. I don't care, I just label it and that's it, but you can flip it vertical. And if everything looks good, let's click on the sketch, let's explode the text, then click Finish Sketch. And now we're going to select each letter by clicking. Once you see it light up gray, always holding your Shift key down, click each letter so that you actually select everything together at the same time. And then what we're going to do is emboss. So we're going to go back to create and scroll down, emboss, and then it's already, all the letters are selected for us. So now we have to pick the face that we want that to extrude or for it to come off of. Once that's selected, you can change the size. Okay, the outline is messing with me. Take that outline off by clicking on it. Okay. All right, so I don't like how much it's extruded off of the wall, so I'm gonna change it to 1. Click OK. And now that's good for me. You want to export this file by clicking file and then export. Give it a name. Don't forget to save it as a STL file type. Click export. Oh, don't leave a space there. You never want to leave a space. It's more for the code when you go to slice it. Now let's take a look at it. This is the bottom. This is what your handle is going to be. Let's click on the image, and there you go. There's your thank you cutter. And now we've officially have a thank you cookie that we can make for all your cookie orders. Okay guys, see you in the next one.